What's up, YouTube? Jeff, your Style OG. In today's video, I've got a winter lookbook for some cold weather style inspiration. If you're new to the channel, we release a new video every day at 4 p.m. Eastern, discussing various men's lifestyle topics such as style, grooming, and dating. I invite you to subscribe and tap that notification bell and join us. And to my returning friends like Double Dog, salute. Now, when it comes to winter items, because we're wearing so many interchangeable pieces, it's very important that each piece fits precisely. Because the fit is so important, it makes today's video sponsor, Peter Manning NYC, the perfect partner for this video. Peter Manning NYC is a contemporary sportswear company that makes modern basics for the not-so-tall guy. This makes it very easy for the not-so-tall and average-sized guys like myself to get the perfect fit right off the rack. More about Peter Manning NYC later in the video. On today's video, I got 3 different looks. 3 winter inspirations using different outerwear, different boots, pants, jeans, you name it. There's a look that's definitely gonna work for you. So without further ado, let's get into some cold weather style inspiration with this winter lookbook. Now for our first look, I've got a look that's utilizing a couple of pieces that I think a lot of you guys sleep on. You might think is a little old-fashioned. As I start this one off with a Pea Coat look. Now to me, the Pea Coat is your ultimate cold weather coat. It's super versatile, easy to dress up and dress down. And if you're only gonna have one color, I definitely would go with navy. But to me, the 2 pieces that tie this look together are the underutilized ones I was talking about. The turtleneck and a pair of corduroy pants. Now a lot of you guys out there think a turtleneck and corduroy is played out a little old school. But I'm here to tell you, it's classic, timeless, and up to date. As you can see here, I got a nice gray merino wool turtleneck tied in nicely with these great Slimwell corduroys from Peter Manning. Tying the look together, I've got a pair of brown suede Chelsea boots. The warmth and texture of the cords and the turtleneck are gonna have you stylish and keep that cold weather off you. Can't go wrong with topping the whole look off with that versatile outerwear piece, a navy Pea Coat. For our second look of the day, we're dressing the look up a little bit more, but not getting too stuffy. As this time, the star of the show is a nice gray overcoat. Now, overcoat is outerwear I just see myself going to over and over, year after year. And you definitely can't beat a nice charcoal one. I'm definitely utilizing colors that everybody can rock. Got some gray, got some navy, as I have these nice twill pants from Peter Manning with a navy V-neck sweater. And adding that versatile go-to inner layer, a white Oxford cotton button down. And of course, adding a little sleekness, a little sexiness to the look, can't go wrong with these oxblood leather Chelsea boots. Again, an overcoat is much more versatile than you may think. You might think it's something you only can dress up, but you actually can dress it down. I wear it in a wide range of situations. And I definitely think charcoal is a knockout color that's super versatile and looks great on everybody. To me, this is a great going out on the town look or a nice cold weather date look. Now I want to take a little bit of time to talk about today's video sponsor, Peter Manning NYC, who not only sponsored today's video, but provided all the jeans and the pants you see throughout today's winter lookbook. Peter Manning NYC is a contemporary sportswear company that provides high quality, well-constructed, great-looking clothes for the not-so-tall guy. They provide a modern take on your classic pieces. Now, one of the main difficulties of shorter guys are finding clothes that fit well off the rack, especially pants. A lot of times the inseam is just gonna be too long. But Peter Manning has solved that problem. They have inseams for jeans, twill pants, chinos, trousers from 26 to 30 inches. And this works not just for shorter guys. It also works for average sized guys like myself. Now I'm 5'10", but a lot of times when I'm shopping, I have trouble finding pants that fit my 28 to 29 inch inseam off the rack. Because I'm able to grab them from Peter Manning NYC, I don't have to waste time and money taking my pants to the tailor. That's one of the biggest headaches of not finding the right fit off the rack. And Peter Manning's pants, as you can see throughout this lookbook, fit me perfect. But Peter Manning doesn't only carry pants. They also have dress shirts, casual shirts, sweaters, classic outerwear pieces such as leather jackets, field jackets, and overcoats. They can cover just about every one of your classic needs to fit your wardrobe. If you're someone who wants a perfect fit right off the rack, and you're a not so tall or average sized guy, you definitely want to check out Peter Manning NYC. And last but certainly not least, for our third and final look of the day, I've got another overcoat look. But this time, we're putting that charcoal away and grabbing that standout color, camel. Camel Overcoat, between me and you, probably my favorite color. I wear it with so many things, especially in the winter time. As you can see here, I paired it with my go-to jeans, a nice pair of dark denim from Pea Coat. And keep it a nice rugged, functional but stylish look, put them on with a pair of work boots. And you never can go wrong when the temperature drops by throwing on that cold weather shirt standby, a nice flannel shirt. But of course, naturally, the star of the show is the Camel Overcoat. And like I always say, when the temperature drops, the one thing people are guaranteed to see is your outerwear. Why not have a warm, stylish piece like a standout Camel Overcoat? To me, this look is casual and relaxed, but still stylish and one that'll get you noticed. Okay, so there you have it. My winter lookbook of 3 great style inspirations for the cold weather. Let me know in the comment section which look caught your eye and what your go-to outfits are for the winter time. Once again, I want to thank today's video sponsor, Mandi NYC. Make sure you check them out through the link in the description. As always, I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, hit that like button. Helps the channel to grow. And of course, tap that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos we release every day at 4 p.m. Eastern. And I'll check you out tomorrow.